Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, market is showing a positive trend with the outcome of the assembly elections, wherein the results were in favor of the existing government, that is BJP, ahead of what market was expecting. That is clearing the path for the Lok Sabha elections in May, and the expectations for the next term of the same government will increase, and the and the policies which are in process and can continue in the coming period as well. So this is likely to favor the stocks which were in limelight, that is PSU stocks, and also Adani Group stocks can see positive tailwind because of that in today's trade. Apart from that, US market was also had shown positive trend, and the S&P 500 has already reached near to 52-week high. In fact, the Dow has already crossed that 52-week high levels. Uh, there again, the expectations for rate cut has moved before, and that is driving the market. Apart from that, oil has also corrected by almost around $2, so that that give a positive trend for the even inflation expectations and for the market. So overall, seems quite a strong day for today, and market is likely to see positive trend in today's trade. Uh, the point is, after large opening, whether the market will sustain or not, we expect that the market will sustain even after the opening of a higher level. Now, I'll request technical team to take it forward.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the Nifty is likely to open with a huge gap up, and we're likely to witness some positive momentum during the day. From the last few trading sessions, we have witnessed that the Nifty manages to maintain a positive closing about the 20,000 level, which is a very good sign on the technical front. Going ahead, 20,470 will act as a immediate resistance levels. Any move above that level, we'll expect some positive momentum to be carried forward towards 20,540, 20,630. Whereas on the downside, 20,140, 20,040 will act as a crucial support levels on the Nifty front. At the higher level, we cannot deny the profit bookings, but definitely the view will remain a positive as long as Nifty sustains about 20,000 mark on the closing basis. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, 45,360 is the first immediate resistance level. Any move about that level, we expect the momentum to be carried forward towards 46,070, 46,350 levels. Whereas the support is placed at 44,650 and 43,940 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, for today intraday purpose, 20,360, 20,540 will be the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at 20,000 and 19,840 levels. Stock specific, Godrej Consumer Products looks good. We already have initiated a buy call in this particular counter. We are looking for a target of 1,050 and stop loss can be kept at 990. Another interesting chart looks on the technical front is Chambal Fertilizer. The stock is trading at around 320 levels. So those who are holding any long positions, they can book the profits as 336, 335 levels and hold the long positions with a trailing stop loss of 312. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see, the rollovers were good. the open interest was average in terms of rollovers, and that is a good sign because that does suggest that the previous week's trend, the previous month's trend should continue, which was positive. So that is good. Also, open interest wise, we are opening in the series with about 1 crore 8 lakh shares of open interest, which is quite average. With the mandate, the VIX also has decreased. It had gone up to 13 and a half, 14 odd levels. It has come down to 12 and a half. Probably, will decrease further today after the gap up, which is slated for today. FIs have also turned buyers, and PCR is still at comfortable levels. So all in all, the data is positive. Also, we have seen some good base building around that 20,000, 20,100, 20,200 put strikes. So that does tell us that some good buying has, good selling in fact has gone in around these put strikes, and that is a positive sign. Also, on the call front, the highest call base now is around 21,000 odd levels. So we have a free move for the next 500-600 points for Nifty from current levels, which is a very good sign. So we might just see Nifty moving up towards those 21,000 odd levels going forward in the next week or so, and it might test those levels and then probably take some time off. But till then, buying is expected. So continue to hold on to longs and continue to buy stocks. At least up till Nifty reaches those levels. Now, in the last month, we started the month with some sort of short in banks, and now we are likely to see good short covering action in banks. We expect Bank Nifty to outperform the Nifty going forward. So the likes of SBI, Canara Bank, PNB, also private banks like HDFC Bank, Kotak, ICICI Bank. These banks should now start to move up significantly. You might just see banks outperform Nifty by a large margin because short covering action will be very aggressive in these stocks. So this is one sector which should be bought going forward. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Auto numbers have come out for the month of November, and broadly they were disappointing. And most of the numbers came below expectation. Although two-wheeler industry performed well, growth was below expectation over here also. Bajaj Auto and TVS grew by 31%, while Hero MotoCorp grew by 26%. For Eicher, Royal Enfield grew by 13%, while the CV business grew by 6%. We will have to wait and see whether the strong wholesale numbers in October and November are also translating into retail numbers in coming days. Ashok Leyland numbers declined by 4% year on year and came 12% below expectation. Tata Motors number also declined 4% on the CV side, while their PV sales were flattish. Maruti numbers came 9% below estimates and grew by 3% year on year. PV segment of Mahindra came below estimates by 6%, but grew 29% on YOY basis. Their tractor segment of both M&M and Escorts grew by 5% year on year, while they also came below expectation. So overall numbers were weak, but there is some initial signs of turnaround in the two-wheeler side after many years of underperformance. Tata Power has won the bid to develop on a BOOT basis a transmission project. The project is estimated to cost 1,544 crores and is expected to be commissioned within 24 months. So this is positive for Tata Power. Aventel Limited has received an order worth 68 crores from New Space India Limited for supply, installation and commissioning of SATCOM terminals. This is positive for Aventel Limited. And Salasar Techno Engineering has secured an order worth 364 crores from Tamil Nadu Generation and Distribution Corporation. This is positive for Salasar. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll request community team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. We are expecting gold and silver prices to continue the positive momentum. On international also, prices have crossed 2080 mark, and we remain positive. Buying gold around 63,450 is recommended with a stop loss of 63,200. On upside, 63,750 to 64,000 is the level we are eyeing for. Also, silver one can initiate a buy around 77,800 with a stop loss of 77,200. On upside, again, uh, seven, 79,000 is the level we are eyeing for. And copper also, the momentum is positive. One can initiate a buy around 724 and maintain a stop loss of 719. So on upside, 730 to 735 is the target we are eyeing for. Zinc also one can initiate a buy. We are expecting 228, 230 on upside. So buy around 224 and maintain a stop loss of 222. Crude prices are expected to test 6100. So sell on rise around 60 to 70 and maintain a stop loss of 6350. On downside again 61 100 to 6050 is the level where it can hold. If 6000 is holding on, then one can buy for a pullback also. And natural gas prices are consolidating, so it is trading between 230 to 240. So as long as it is holding 230, one can buy with a stop loss of 223. And that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD, we are expecting some downwards momentum. So for intraday purpose, one can initiate a short positions in the range of 83.36 to 83.35 levels with the stop loss of 83.45 for the target of 83.30 and 83.22 levels. In GBP, INR one can initiate a long positions in the range of 105.50 to 105.52 levels with a stop loss of 105.25 for the target of 105.95 and 106.15 levels. In Euro INR, in JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 56.86 levels with a stop loss of 56.67 for the target of 57.15 and 57.25 levels. Thank you.